Hey everybody, welcome to Kevin Hunt's Dragindart Racing and Videos and YouTube, Dragindart Kevin Hunt. Well, I finally achieved a goal that I've been trying to do for a lot of years. I finally won one of these little guys. Say hello to my little friend. Took a lot of time coming to get it, but this old girl did the number on it for me. So I got some video, a lot of in-car stuff. I only had one on-track video. Don't have a lot of takers on trying to run the video camera, but I can't do both. But I'm really happy to win this. I've been runner-up 3 times in Wally races, and not counting the Wally races I was in over the years that I didn't even do worth a darn. But I made it all the way down to the semifinals in the bracket combo, and I had a little engine problem to be continued. But nothing too serious, thankfully, so I didn't want to hurt the motor, so I shut her down. But I got my Wally in Nostalgia Super Stock, and it's just an amazing feeling to get that. So all it does now when you win one makes you want to win another one. But I want to thank all my followers and people that check in on me and really enjoy the stuff we do here, that even an old guy can be taught to get better. You know, I just really practiced on the practice tree and really concentrated and focused on my reaction times, and the car was pretty dead on. It was a pretty warm day. We had cicadas attacking us, but we survived it. So enjoy the video, and always thanks for checking in and subscribing. Just click on the dragon. I don't know which side because I always get backwards, so I'll point both ways. Subscribe and hit the like button on Facebook. Thank you so much.
Kevin Hunt, there we go.
First of 733
Ha ha ha!